We got the 3rd generation Apple TV, which includes full 1080p, wireless, and HDMI. You can do AirPlay. You can watch movies, TV shows, and more. Here's a full outlook of the box. Upside down, sideways, 1080p again, Apple. Nothing there, nothing here. Open it this way. Open it that way. And we're going to open it this way. Now we're doing cut in the box. That makes some funner. There we go. Only get one chance at this anyways. There you go, perfectly cut. Just like with any Apple product, it probably just slides open. There you go, you still got the plastic on there. And there you have it. Just like with any Apple product, it's going to be right there facing up. See what's in the box. Just pull a little tap up, make sure we don't break it. There's the actual Apple TV itself. You get this cool little aluminum brushed remote. Pretty sure this will get lost if you don't take care of it. There you go. Let's see what else is in the box. Slide this little thing up. Got a little power cable. This means you've entered in the dark side of Apple. Got your little manuals. Slide this up. Just like with any Apple product, you get your 2 Apple stickers. Got instructions. If you don't know how to use most modern day devices, you should not buy this. Get a little run through. Oh look, a cool little welcome, you're watching Apple TV. There you go. This is what's included. Full box. We'll have the owner take off the plastic, switch it over to me. There you go. Got your little protective film over the shiny part of the Apple TV. Let's show it off.
Nice shine.
There you got your power supply. Got your HDMI. You have your optical audio. You have your Ethernet port. Power, HDMI, optical audio, Ethernet port.
There's a mini USB.
And the mini USB. We'll be using wireless today. That'll conclude this unboxing video.